Are you curious about TSP versus IRA? In this video, we'll be diving into the world of retirement savings and investment plans for federal employees. Let's start with TSP. The Thrift Savings Plan is a retirement savings and investment plan. As a TSP participant, you can choose between traditional and Roth contributions. An individual retirement account is a personal savings account that allows you to save for retirement while offering tax advantages. So, what are the differences between TSP and IRA? First, the contribution limit for TSP is higher than that of an IRA. Second, when you invest in the TSP, you receive matching contributions. An IRA does not have a match. Third, TSP is a payroll deduction, while IRA contributions come from your personal bank account. And finally, when you are choosing your investment allocations from your TSP account, you are limited to less than 20 options. An IRA can be more advantageous because the options and strategies you can leverage are not limited. An IRA can produce better outcomes regarding income planning, growth planning, tax planning, and legacy planning. When a federal employee starts nearing their retirement age, they can roll over their TSP account into customized IRA accounts to accomplish their retirement goals most effectively. In conclusion, both TSP and IRA have their unique features and benefits. Remember, saving for retirement is crucial, so make sure to do your research and choose the plan that works best for you. Consult with one of our advisors here at IFASI Financial Group to help navigate the complexities of retirement planning. If interested in a free consultation, call our office and reference this video. We look forward to speaking with you.